How y'all doing? Ralphy here, Ralphy Customs. Bank holiday Monday, I'm bleary-eyed from last night's live. I'll try and put a link in. Check it out. Let's have a week's start roundup time thing. Mail call time. And we've got one here all the way from Paul. It was in the live last night. I'll put a link somewhere. The Knackler's Workshop. There you go. It'll go on my toolbox with pride. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. He wrote me a lovely letter as well, saying how much he likes my intro and how he likes what I do. Mentioned that we've got a bit of not history together, but we were both into push bikes, bicycles, when we were kids. And he was local to where I was at the time, you know. So there was a velodrome, as they're called now, a Saffron Lane cycle track, it was known as, and they did cycle racing, did board racing there, which was fucking wild. They also, if I remember rightly, they had a cycle speedway track there, but that might have been somewhere else. Bicycle Speedway. Fucking check it out. Anyway, lovely letter. Thank you, Paul. Lots of love. That'll go on the toolbox, as I say. And we've got another one. We've got two. Two for the price of one today. We've got Bog Off. Buy one, get one fucking free. Oh, it's fucking Michelle from Belgium. And he was in the live last night. Rusty Knox on his eco-friendly paper. So check out both of those channels, guys. They're fucking alright, you know. You'll like what you see. I like what they do, so chances are you should. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, my friends. It's Bank Holiday Monday, which is a public holiday for those foreigners that are watching. Non-Brits. Foreigners sounds bad. Look at that. You gotta like that, haven't you? Anyway, Harry the bastard, bless him. He's spitting and farting a little bit. I need to check all the valve clearances and the points and maybe the inlet, see if there's a leak, and this fork seal needs replacing. So he's next up on the ramp. Speaking of which, Diana's on there, as my mate Rob calls it. Dinah, the Dinah's on there. Looking pretty. Full oil service, that's just had. So we've got gearbox oil's been drained, refilled. Engine oil's drained, refilled. And new filter, of course. It's a little witness dribble there, look. Oh, look, let's get that. It's fucking messy getting them oil filters on and off. You can't do that without spilling. And the primaries. They've been drained and refilled, and that's not been polished properly. Afterwards, to get my greasy hand marks off. So she's all ready to rock and roll. She's lovely and clean. I'm going to take her home today on this fine bank holiday. Next up, we've got tomorrow morning's jolly, which will be the swing arm. If you follow my series on the Suzuki GSX with a wide front end and back end, this is now the third, fourth, fifth part. Can't remember now, but you see. And then we're doing the swing arm, so making new swing arm because the original one was absolute fucking shite, basically. I didn't feel comfortable sending someone down the road on something that was so fucking dangerous. So we made a new one. I'll put a link up, all being well. Anyway, that's tomorrow morning. I'm going to get that all done. And then I've got to... Oh, look at it looking like it's got no arse end, like Terminator, look. Dragging itself forward. Then I've got to get back on our Dean's Triumph chopper again. There is a series. If you check out my playlist, I'll try and link. And I'm really fucking looking forward to this because we're going to get a front brake assembly together. Got the wheel back with the tyre on. So we're going to get this all together. And this disc adapter that... Sorry, a really bad camera work this morning. This disc adapter that I made is going on there. The other way around, Ralfy. Bear with. It's going on there. So we've got an inboard disc in order to miss his forks. We're going to do a caliper mount and an electrics box. We've done the handlebars and I think then he's got to come back and have a look. It should be nice. We've got his 21-inch front wheel back for his big red machine. No pun intended. No associations implied. And we're going to see about the forks, how much longer they need to be, and then I've got to deal with getting them sent off and coming back and putting together and whatnot. But new in is, if you're watching, Ali, I'll get a photo of this fucker. If I can work out how to do it. I think I've just took one. If you're watching, Ali, featherbed there. Yeah, it's going to have a fucking Sportster engine in it, ain't you? Shit you not. So we're fitting the tank and we're sorting a few bits out. We're doing the tailpiece, the same as this, look. This is our Graham's work. Both of these are our Graham's, bless him. This one's got a few fun jollies, a bit of engineering and jiggery pokery that you'll see in due course. And that one's got a few mounting bits and bobs to sort out again, which you'll see in due course. So... look at that, has that fucking dropped oil on my floor already? No. Wow, there you go. So, all in all, we're looking at a fun-packed September. I'm going to get on the Motor Martin. We're not going to get on my Triumph. I really want to get on my Suzuki. We've got a frame to make there. I think September and November, October even. September and October are going to be manic. And we've got Nicky's trike to endeavour forward with, so that's all going fucking as you can see. We've got a fun-filled September because it's the fucking end of August now. Bad month for the car, set me back quite a bit. Fortunately, no one's, don't get any shit off people that are kind enough to give me jobs to do for them. If I did get any shit off them, they get fucked off, wouldn't they? Because we have that no wanker policy, which means that we only get nice jobs for nice people, which is just what makes the world go around. Please give us a like and a comment if you like this. Subscribe to see updates on these vehicles. They'll all be getting engineering, fabrication, metalwork done, etc., etc. Check out my friends in the description below and have a wonderful, wonderful one. Lots of love, everyone. Catch up with you.